Welcome! In front of me I have Garmin Vivoactive 4S, and I'm gonna show you how to enable the phone notifications for this watch on the Android phone. Basically, if you want to receive the notifications from your phone on your watch. Before we start, if you want to receive the notifications from your phone on your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the Garmin Connect application. Once the devices are paired together, we can continue. And now we need to make sure that the required permissions are allowed for your phone and the Garmin Connect application to send the notifications to your watch. So first, find the Garmin Connect icon on your phone and press and hold on it. After a second or two, you should see this pop up on the screen and you can tap on App Info. Here, select the permissions, and if you want to receive the notifications, for example, about the phone calls on your phone, you will need to allow the permissions like phone, call logs. If you want to see the notifications about the SMSs or messages, basically, you need to allow the SMS permission. If you want to see who's calling you, you need to allow contacts and stuff like that. So I'm gonna allow phone by tapping on it and tapping on allow, SMS like that, and contacts like that. I recommend allowing SMS, phone, contacts, call logs, and calendar. You can also allow location if you want to, and this one is required when you're pairing the devices together, so basically watch with your phone. Okay, once you're done with the permissions, close this. And now we need to open the settings. And in settings, we need to find the notification access. On the older Androids, it's called notification access. On the newer ones, it's called something else. Basically, you can tap on search and type in notification access, and usually it will bring you to it. But as you can see on mine, it won't. So we're gonna find it ourselves. You can search for it in the notifications, and here you may see something like device and app notifications, or you can scroll down in notifications and there should be option called something like more notifications options or something like that, and there should be a notification access in there. But basically this is Android 12, I believe, and it's called device and app notifications. If you can't find it, I recommend using the search function, and hopefully that will solve the problem. So find the device and app notifications or notification access, tap on it, and you will see the list of apps, and we have the allowed list and not allowed. Find the Garmin Connect, tap on it, and as you can see here we have option allow notification access, and we need to tap on switch, tap on allow, and once you allow it, the app will appear on the allowed list. Right here we can close the settings, and now we can open the Garmin Connect application on the phone that is paired with our watch, of course. Tap on more, Garmin devices, select our Vivoactive 4S. Here, scroll down, find the sounds and alerts, and right here, tap on smart notifications. And we have a couple options here. We have general use, during activity, timeout, privacy, and manage app notifications. First, let's tap on general use. And right here, we can turn on and off the notifications for the general use. General use is basically when you're using your watch and you're not tracking any type of activity on it. So anything else besides the activity tracking. And you can turn off or on the notifications, and you can select a type of notifications that should appear on your watch. And we have all, calls and text only, and calls only. So select the options you like and go back. Next we have during activity. This is when you're tracking activity on your watch, like cycling, running, and stuff like that. And you can tap on it, and we have option to turn it off or on, and select the type of notifications. Okay. Finally, we have, or rather not finally, but next we have the timeout, and here we can select short, medium, long. This is basically how long the notifications stay on the display, they being displayed on the device when you receive them. And then we have privacy. This allows you to select basically action or gesture. What it does is when you receive the notification and, for example, select the action, you will need to press the action button, so the upper one, to display the notifications content. Basically, it's gonna be obscured, so random people can see it until you press the action button or perform the wrist gesture. Okay. And manage app notifications is basically it allows you to turn on and off the notifications for specific apps. And how it works is basically, for example, let's say you turn on the notifications for Discord, like it's turned on now. You receive the notification from Discord on your phone. That notification will be forwarded to your watch. But if you disable it, right here, you will see the notification only on your phone. It won't be forwarded to your watch. So that's how it works. So customize this to your liking. And once you're done, you can go back to the main page of your device, to the device page. Make sure that it says settings have been saved. Once it does, you can sync the devices together by tapping on this button, and then you can close the app, and the notifications should work at this point. So I'm gonna send myself a message on Discord. We got it on our phone and also on our watch. And that's how you enable the phone notifications for this watch on the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.